Hey, how's it going? It's Rocky. It's Wednesday, and the Fed minutes are due to come out at 2 p.m. Eastern. It's currently 10:58 a.m. in the Pacific Coast, so minutes should come out in about 2 minutes. And I wanted to record an existing trade that I have and show you how volatile the market can be when the minutes come out. So as of right now, if you look up here, it is February 22nd, 10:59, 16, and basically I am trading the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And if you look in the center here, you can see our PL open is at $325. I did make a short, 3 contracts. Our average is 33,251, and basically I'm expecting some crazy moves in about a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds really. I want to see if that actually occurs. So I wanted to record this, and I want to show you how I'm gonna protect myself from this and see if we can get out with a profit. So as you know, I like to protect myself by placing an OCO, and then with this one, this is my hedge account, right? So if I don't get there you go, you see that crazy move right there, and then it just turned green. So now you're seeing that actual crazy live action that just occurred there. So from having a nice PL open to being negative, and now we're positive, it's just the craziness. The range of that is, I can't see it from the top, about 80 points or so. So now our PL open is about 175, and again we're back to negative. So I just wanted to highlight how crazy that is just when the minutes come out. It's just people are projecting what it could be, but right now I'm gonna exit this trade because I think I just wanted to show you how crazy that looks. So what I'm doing here, I have some presets on a template. I'm doing an OCO with 26 points trailing stop on the top. You can see here our PL open is now $700. I am just gonna I'll pick a number right here. I'm basing that off the ATR trailing stop. Actually, yeah, this is the indecision that happens sometimes when you don't want to get stopped out. But just to, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and he went way lower than I expected, but I'm just gonna put that right here. We want to try and lock in $1,000 from this trade, and we'll see if it gets stopped. We'll get that. And you see with the OCO, it takes away how you think, and then we'll see what happens. So there you go. So on that trade, we were able to hit $1,000 and lock it in. And for the day, we are at a day profit of 1,595 before commissions and fees. And usually this is the case where I'll get a bit of a FOMO. As you can see there, it's just dumping a bit more, but this is a type that volatility that it's really could make or break your account. And I think I'll just keep this running. You can see that I exited at the white line here. 33,251 is my entry, right? So I'm just gonna draw where my exit was at 33,185. And how this is moving is normally, if you were trading penny stocks, it usually looks like this, and it's one of the reasons I don't trade penny stocks anymore, because I just don't have the appetite for it. It's just it's too many things going on. Like you can see here, can't even get that average right. Let me just type it out so I can show you. So you can see here, we've left some there, but I do expect this to turn green on the next candle. Again, just wanted to show you live how something like this occurs when meeting minutes come out from the Fed. So it's so important to be aware of those news of what's going on, and basically keep this running because I want to right here too, you can see the volume, right? You can see that the volume is a lot higher for this 5-minute candle on the time base. And in the tick base, this is why I trade the tick base, because it normalizes it for me by having the different volumes in there. So it's now 11:03, so 3 minutes past when the meeting minutes came out. And what I mentioned, I do expect this to turn around and go up a bit more. I'm actually gonna try and do some searches on the side. I won't show it on the screen. Just want to see what the highlights are from what came out, I guess, on the Fed meeting minutes. And the interesting part, sometimes most people, they just, so this is one. Most people just read the top of an article sometimes, and sometimes it really takes a lot more to read into it, and that's why you see this type of action. And now it's turning into a green candle here, because they read the headline, they react to it, and then as more people digest what was actually written, they infer what the future will be from it, right? So that's the trickiness of it. That's why, if you're new to trading, I highly recommend to not trade on days when either Jerome Powell is speaking or when minutes are coming out or FOMC. But if you're pretty disciplined with your stops and have done a few of these type of days in the past, then sure, you can give it a try. But with this one, just lucky, I guess, to be on the right side of it, to be able to get that $1,000 on that one trade that we did have. So anyway, so it's now 11:05. I just wanted to share what it's like, how the market reacts when the Fed meeting comes out. And I hope you enjoyed that little live analysis that I did there. Hope to do more of it in the future, and please give me a comment below. And if you did not enjoy the content, hopefully you give me another chance, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, have a good one.